I appreciate your interest in the car. This was my father's car. It's a 1972 Mustang Mach 1. It's got a 351 Cleveland in it. It's beautifully restored. My father bought it from a gentleman in Shelby, North Carolina. My dad loved to go to these little car shows on Friday night and show off the car and kind of reminisce about it. He's had it for about 15 years. It's been garaged, it's been covered the whole time. It's in mint condition. The interior is probably the original. As you can see, it's original color scheme on the vehicle. It's fun to drive. It really wants to run. This thing on the interstate will keep up with the big boys in a New York minute. My wife and I, we've taken it out on the parkway quite a few times, so it's just a thrill to drive. Fun to watch people's reaction when they see this car. We've enjoyed driving it. We enjoy just riding around. It's automatic air conditioning, power brakes. As you can see, it's the rally wheels to it. It's really just a fabulous car to drive and just fun to be around. Fun to see people's reaction to the car. So it's clean. As you can see, there's not a blemish on the paint. Like I said, this is one of those cars that you just like to take it to a show and just watch people's reaction.
Rev it up, rev it up. Pop the hood. So this is a 351.
It's a 351 Cleveland engine. It was originally a 2-barrel, and my father had it converted to a 4-barrel. As you can see, the engine's really clean. It's been kept up.
That's great.